Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be exploring Canva, a versatile design platform used by professionals and beginners alike to create stunning visuals for social media, presentations, marketing materials, and more. One of its useful features is the ability to resize images easily, and I'll show you how to do just that. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Canva app on your mobile device or go to the Canva website on your computer. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Step 2. Once you're in, select the project or create a new one where your image is located. Just tap on this plus icon right here and then select Upload to upload a new image. And then select Photo Library to choose from your to choose from your device, to choose from your saved photos, and then select any photo that you would love to add. For me, I'll just add this one, and then click on Done. And then tap on this Use in a New Design, and then once your image is uploaded or added to the project, tap or click on it to select it. You'll notice a bounding box with drag handles appear around the image. To resize the image manually, drag any of the corners inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. This keeps the image proportions intact. You can also drag the sides if you want to adjust the width or height specifically. Or if you need to resize the entire design canvas instead of just the image, look for the Resize button on the top menu. This is a pro feature, so you'll need a Canva Pro subscription to use it. Enter the new dimensions for your design, such as width and height in pixels, inches or millimeters, and click Resize. Since I don't have a Canva subscription, I'm just telling you what to do and hopefully you can follow through. And then after resizing, you can reposition your image or other elements to fit in the new layout. Once everything looks good, save your project by tapping on the download button right here, which looks like an arrow pointing down. And then it will automatically download on your device. And that's it. Resizing images in Canva is simple and takes just a few steps. Whether you're working on a personal project or creating professional designs, this feature makes it easy to adjust your visuals to the perfect size. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!